What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We are out here. It is 5:40, day 2. This is the second day of the KBF Pro Series and a single day event, Trail Series number 2 today. So, as you saw yesterday's video, did pretty well. Like I had said, my practice was horrific. Covered a ton of water shallow, miles, like 14 miles. Trying to look for beds, only found 2 dinks, and then winged it out here yesterday and caught 90 1/4. So I thought like 87 was gonna cash. That got like 14th. So I took 7th in KBF, got the last check, and took 8th in elite kayak fishing and took the last check as well. So ended up working out pretty good for having a crappy practice. But day 2, we raced out here. Thought there was people coming here. It wasn't. It's just me and the Richardsons. Awesome people. They were here yesterday for a majority of the morning, and then they were here with that whole boat fiasco, if you guys saw. But super foggy out here, kind of creepy actually. But we're gonna stay here for the next 20 minutes, get prepped, and then we're gonna throw the jerkbait. The jerkbait I picked up around 8 o'clock yesterday and killed it with it. There's no wind out here, but it's super dark with the fog, so I think the jerkbait will still work. But I'm going to toss it for maybe 15-20 minutes. If I don't get anything, I'll switch it up. But alrighty, guys, stay tuned and for first cast, and hopefully we can smash them again today. Who knows? We're sitting in 5th for the Pro Series. We need to do even better than yesterday and hope that the guys in the top 4 do worse. I'm close to 3rd and 4th, but 1st and 2nd are like 3 and 2 inches ahead of me. So we'll see what happens. But super excited to cash the check. That's all I really want to do up here. So today's just fun fishing, and hopefully we can figure them out even more. So stay tuned and let's catch some fish. Well, good luck, everyone. I hope you catch fish, but a little smaller than me. Game time. There we go. $17 1/4. There we go. No. Mother trucker. Ugh. There we go, there's the bedfish from practice. Jeez. And the mouse. Actually double hooked. Quarter, not one we want, but no way. Oh, don't come on. Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's a good bass. Yes. Let's go. Random cast. Ate it on the fall. I really did. I pulled up my old-fashioned spot lock called an anchor and started drifting, and then he threw my drop shot weight. Cool. Thanks, buddy. Oh, I think this is the one Jake caught yesterday. $19.
I thought it was a northern.
19, biggest one of the tournament. Alrighty then. Let's go. Alrighty guys, there we have it. That wraps up the KBF 2-day event, both Trail Series and the Pro Series, and the Elite Kayak Fishing first event of the season. Awesome turnout. Was able to get the 2 checks day 1, which is all I wanted to do when I went up there, was to cash 1 check. So I was able to cash 2 checks, 1 in KBF, 1 in Elite, so awesome. Day 2 was a grinder. I think day 1 I would have been alright, but that last like 2 hours, the sun came out, the wind died, and the water slicked off, and people were able to bed fish a lot better. I didn't realize how many fish were on beds. If you saw my practice video, it was super windy. I was just covering water. Forgot my sunglasses in the car, so I literally was pretty crap out of luck there. So day 2 was tougher. Started off on that hump again. There was the Richardsons, which were awesome. Judy, John. You saw John, I caught that 19-inch right after I came back to the hump later in the day after I caught those bedfish. But John was super awesome guy. They were there with that whole boat fiasco. They were there fishing both days. And John ended up doing good on the second day, right towards the end, right by the ramp, found a couple more bedfish. So he ended up doing pretty good. But yeah, started out on the hump. Wasn't as good as the day 1. Jerkbait wasn't doing as good. Lost that 1, which I think was like a 17. It was just a struggle. Kept losing fish, as you saw. Got really frustrated, and I was like, fine, I'll go look for my bedfish that I found in practice. The 17 was there. Found that second 17. Didn't know about that one, and then couldn't find the 15. Found a little 14, which I didn't even want to catch, but I wanted to finish out my limit. And then I was like, you know what? I need to go back. I watched a guy catch a couple 19s on beds out there on the hump. I knew they were there, so I went back, caught that random 19 on a random cast, and then yeah, I ended up catching 1 more that helped, but it was way tougher. I was pretty, mentally out of it. I don't really care for bed fishing tournaments, if you ask me. From the rumors that was going on the other end of the lake, people were just catching fish, going right behind the next guy, catching the same fish. So I don't know how much skill is really involved in all that, but you know what? We made the best of it. Day 1 morning, jerkbait fishing. That was absolutely awesome. That was my favorite jerkbait bite in a while, catching giant smallies on that. They were probably on beds defending, but I didn't know that at the time. I just thought I was on an insane jerkbait bite. So, but hope you guys enjoyed the videos from Lake Messalonskee. It was super fun, my first time up in Maine, but we got a bunch more tournament videos going out. I'm super behind. I apologize again, but fishing a total of almost 20 tournaments, if not 20 this season. Pretty much fishing and filming every single weekend, trying to find time to edit. It's a little bit hard, but we're getting there. We're back on track, guys. So I hope you're super excited for all the future episodes coming. We've got a bunch of big tournaments coming up, so thanks for watching. If you guys haven't already, subscribe below, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.